So we got this for cheap. Very cheap. Oh, what's happened here?
Oh god, that's rusty. Oh, where's the glove box? This has been set for a long time.
Yeah, I think so. First try! It's not bad.
I mean, it looks a professional job.
only two holes. 2 or 3?
2 or 3, yeah.
2 or 3. Neil's bought another Copart car. Well, is this your first Copart car?
First Copart.
This is Neil's first Copart car. We can see it. This one's actually category U, so it's not written off or broke or like smashed or crashed. But U's can be a bit deceiving because U means it's been sold to Copart at some point. So I've heard that U's are like quite risky because you don't know what could go wrong with it. But I've done the research this one. Neil's done his research, and it looks like it's just a couple of things wrong with it. So at the minute, Will's making himself look like an absolute dumb when I get this car down here, but he's not doing a good job. Hopefully it starts. Hello, William. Bit of positive camera on this side, isn't there? Yeah, positive rust. Oh, that's nothing. No, that's alright. A few modifications.
A few bits of weld here and there.
Is it? Oh, what's happened here? What's this? What's this?
Oh god, that's rusty.
It's a bit rusty.
That's very rusty.
This is the worst bit I can see. So, see that patch there?
Oh yeah.
There's a patch there. That looks fresh.
Oh yeah, nice couple of welds.
Do you reckon so I welded it up and went, I'm going to nick the cats off it and call my insurance company?
Oh, where's the glove box? This has been set for a long time.
Yeah, I think so. It's a bit mouldy, isn't it? PBS pads, my guys. So we got this for cheap. Very cheap.
This is worrying.
What's worrying? What is it? The wire?
There's no headlining.
Oh yeah, you knew that, didn't you?
Where's it gone?
I thought you said you knew that, didn't you?
Trim missing. I didn't mean the whole interior.
First try. Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, we're pushing it.
So loud.
It's got no exhaust.
There it is.
That's a facelift as well, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's grey, well, cosmic grey.
There's lots.
Oh shit! I got front tyre.
There's lots of rust.
There's a bit of rust,
I
yeah.
don't mind about the missing interior. I'm more concerned about the rust.
It's a bit of
It's
rust.
just structurally good. Didn't you?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah, like obviously there's been some issues here and there.
There's obviously been a few issues here. In here.
As long as someone's already welded it up, it means you haven't got to.
It's not bad.
I mean, it looks a professional job.
So the Civic, the Cat U Copart Civic, we're going to bring it back from the dead. So you've seen us collecting it. It's actually down at ADS Autos. We got it up on the ramp and we wanted to see how bad it was underneath because it looks quite rusty. So it's down at ADS. We found out it is quite rusty, but it's savable. So we're gonna bring it back from the dead. So we're gonna pop down to ADS Autos after this and show you guys where the car's up to. We've ordered a load of bits from Tego, and I mean a load of bits, and we're currently on the way now to pick up some more bits for it. I'm not sure the history of the car. We got no history. We know that we used to insure it. Oh, ages ago, a few years ago, we used to insure it. So we know what it's been doing and what mods it's had on at some point in its life. And it has been quite a vigorous track car at some point in its life. So we're on the way to pick up some second-hand bits now from a guy in Whitton, which is about 20 minutes away. We're going to shoot down to the garage and we're going to show you an update on the Type R, what it looks like, how bad it is, where it's up to, what mods we've bought, and what we're going to be doing to it. So that's our plan for today. Right, so we've got a few bits. We've got a standard fuel pump and a sender unit. So apparently the fuel pump isn't working hours, or the sender isn't. One of them, I'm not sure. A caliper, meaning that the one of our calipers is seized. I couldn't fit in the headliner. We have a K brace which I need to pick up, and some pillars and stuff. Some A pillar and B pillar trims. But look at this shiny, lovely new boosty boy for the Focus. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's get down to ADS Autos and drop off the Civic bits and do a little overview of the Civic as well. Oh, so here is the Civic. I think is this, yeah, it is. You can tell by the rust. Sadly it's not up on the ramp. I thought it'd be up on the ramp, so I thought I could show you where the rust is bad and stuff. But it looks quite rusty. But there's a couple of holes. There's a hole in the leg over here. I'll get Ad to go over it again. There's a hole in the leg over here, and there's a little bit of a hole just where the sill meets the floor underneath there. But overall, it's definitely not as bad as it looks when you you know, put the camera up in there. So we've got a few bits and bobs. Going to drop them off to Adam now. But there it is. And here, sorry about the LED lights in here, but there is the full system. I think they're from Tegua, and I'm not sure what this is from. Very chromy, but yes, that's the new full exhaust. That's good. Have you seen underneath that Civic? Is that all right? Is it?
I ain't seen them.
Adam is. We'll ask the other Adam.
Cruddy, really.
It's good. Did you find any more holes?
Not really.
It's all right.
Yeah, it's probably 2 or 3. We will get up and it can be a right good like shoots over underneath. Yeah. Clean all the surface rust off and yeah.
Yeah, it's very surface rusty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, underneath was like, oh, I don't know. Only two holes. 2 or 3.
2 or 3, yeah. It's had a bit
2 or 3, yeah. Right, well I'm gonna go down Type Tube, mate.
Alright, take it.
Right, see you in a bit. Yeah, so sadly we thought it might have been up on the ramp, but it isn't. So yes, lots of bits for it. We've actually got some suspension bits and some poly bushes and some arms. So it might be like camber arms and that. But surprised that they've not turned up on time with the post. So we're probably going to come and drop them later. So I'll carry that video on when they've arrived. Hopefully when I get back to the office, we'll actually see the arms. But there is the Civic for now. We thought it was going to be like a trap build, but we bought interior bits, so again I'm not fully sure what's going on with it, but there's the Civic. The video ended a little bit weird there because we was going to go and pick up the suspension parts, but they've only just come, so didn't want the video to end so abruptly. So Neil's going to explain. I'm not a Honda guy, so Neil's going to explain everything we've bought. So it is going to be a track car, right?
Yeah, track car, road car, fast road car, track car, bit of both. Because
the Focus that we've got at the minute is it's not as reliable as we want it to be, is it? So
yeah, I think it's too highly tuned to be reliable. So it lasts a little while and blows up. So being a Honda, it should be pretty reliable. Keep it NA, keep it semi-powerful-ish. 230, 240 horsepower is the target, really.
And there's a lot of money in the Focus for us to be handing it out to the tools lot, isn't there? So really,
yeah. So this can be a track car that anyone can drive, or any staff member or anyone who wants to have a go of it can have a go of it, pretty much. So we try to sort of get the best we can for reasonable money. Got a lot of parts from Tegua, roll center adjusting ball joints, steering rack riser, new gear knob because the other one was damaged. Tegua quick shift, 28mm roll bar with new drop links. Which is heavy, it's heavy. They do a 24mm, but they said go to 28 if you're going to track it, so 28 was what it was. Brady clutch line, custom made, that was by Hell apparently. Adjustable steering arms, Tegua again. Got some coilovers on the way from Area Motorsport, track spec coilovers. Exhaust gone on Tegua, which you've probably got in the video already.
Yeah, got that at the what's the manifold?
Jack speed.
Right, okay. I didn't know what the manifold was.
When we bought the car, we found out it had no exhaust. So
as you can see in the video.
Next mod is Tegua intake, remap, or K-Pro ECU with a map on it, and then we're done.
Was it an actual thing going to take it on to Time Attack this weekend? Well, or was that just a joke?
If we could make it, yeah. But we've got 4 days, so unlikely. But
yeah, there's currently a big tail being fitted to the Focus as well, which needs to be done for like 3 days. So
yeah,
I went and videoed that as well. So we're going to see an update on the Focus.
So if we can get it done for Sunday, we'll get it out on Sunday, but unlikely because the coilover's not even here yet.
No.
Or set up, or fitted, or so probably not. But we'll try.